Hey Dad, can I go to Chunk Cheese?
No, Caillou. We can't go to Chunk Cheese. You're still grounded.
Take me now. Take me now. Take me now.
Oh. Go to room now or die.
Wah wah they wah wah ha 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 wah wah wah. This is so unfair. I'm still going to Chunk Cheese. Aha. Bingo. I'm a glitch out of the house and go anyway. Aha ha. I'll come back before Dad knows I'm gone. I'm smart. Yes. I made it out the house. Now I gotta chunk my cheese now and have dance party. WAHOOOOO. I can eat pizza instead of my dad's awful cooking and green beans. Yippee. Oh boy. I made it to Chunk Cheese. Time to eat so much pizza that I explode the toilet and turn into a pizza. Whoop whoop. I'm so awesome, whoop whoop. I'm at Chunk Cheese. Whoop whoop. I'm the best. I am so full on pizza. Oh no, I better go. It's so— oh shit.
In nitrogen monoxide. Caillou, you're so grounded when we get home. Now I slap you and steal you kidneys and liver, bald-headed brat. Eee.
Oh, nitrogen monoxide. I'm so cooked. Ahahaha. Why the beat up of me and stealings of my internal organs?
Because I said so, and you're very bad, Caillou.
Wah, my name is not—
Shut up, Caillou.
Wah, hey, whoa. Crying noises.
Shut up, K freaking Lou. Now you're grounded for 8 for 3 6 7 for 5 9 6 7 8 for 6 7 for 5 9 6 for 5 6 for 6 5 for 7 6 5 6 0 9 7 8 5 6 7
Wah.
Now stay in your room until I unground you, Caillou. Have a tragic rest of the day.
Oh man, now I'm grounded. It's the part where I cry. Wah.